Hello everybody, another big bright sunny day. But when specifically I say big, you know why it is big? Because when you come for team building exercise, I think it is big. The responsibility is big and the communication have to be big and it have to be clear as well as simple, because you know it's all about telling people what they want to learn. नहीं आप ये सोचिए, देखो मैंने 10 टीमें सोची थी, अब एक बार में 4 टीमें करती, फिर 4 करती, तो दिस इज नॉट इन माय हैंड, लाइक नो। और हाँ, अब मैं जो वो ब्लाइंड फोल्ड भी लाया था, वो भी 4 लाया था, 4 सेट, तो 4 करते अपने आप ड्यूरेशन थोड़ा सा नीचे हो गया।
Eventually, obviously, they'll get tired. I know.
हाँ,
because उनको आधे लोगों को पता नहीं है कि क्या होने वाला है।
Exactly. But इन्होंने बड़ा चिल वाला वो चूज किया है।
मैं वो कह ही रहा हूँ, यूजुअली जो करा था हमने पिछली बार, यू हैड डन ट्रेजर हंट, प्रॉपर ट्रेजर हंट, उसमें क्लूज ढूंढ रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ी एंगेजिंग एक्टिविटी है। ठीक है, दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी एंगेजिंग, बट दे वांटेड, मैंने इनको जो लिस्ट आपकी पहले वाली दी थी ना, उसमें चैलेंजेस एवरीथिंग वाज मच
बिगर
एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव बहुत बड़े अच्छे थे, बट दे वांटेड इट टू हैव मोर। ठीक है, उनकी कॉल है, दैट इज द रीजन।
ठीक है, डन।
So I request everyone to please join us. I know you want to relax. After food, definitely it have to be like, you know, a me time, but I'm just trying to put in some more energy to the whole scenario. So come on everybody, may I request each one of you to please come on. Simple as that. We can appoint a voice captain also, you know, to cut down the burden, but there is no burden. Okay, we got the first captain, and trust me, this is going to be more of fun. Second captain, would you like to be the one? यार कितना घबरा रहे हो आप लोग? Okay, we got one more coming in, and you two want to be in the same team, so let me. Okay, what about more? Even boys can do it. Ishan, where you hail from?
Delhi.
Delhi only. अच्छा, गाजियाबाद। अरे फिर तो सर से थोड़ा सा तमीज से बात करना चाहिए। Would like to जल्दी से आप अपनी टीम बना लीजिए। कैसे बनाएंगे मुझे नहीं पता। Members देखिए, I think we have 50 together, right? So let's have 10 in each team. Okay. So guys, please join your favorite captain, and I'll cut down the rest who are like, you know, exceeding 10. So let me start with the captain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A war cry, okay, and name of the team. Okay, you're the captain, right? So captain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. You also vanish from this location. I mean, just be around. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. You have just a minute to plan and decide on the war cry as well as on the name. Right. So make sure you come up with a unique name which reflects your values, which reflects your energy, which reflects your vibe. Okay, so what's your team name?
Team Kokoro.
Team
Kokoro.
Kokoro. So what does that mean? Like, is it a jargon?
It means heart in Japanese.
And what's a war cry?
Go Kokoro go.
Okay, can you ask your team to do this? Team, you just call your team name and they will go for the war cry. Okay, this is how we'll work. Go ahead.
Team Kokoro. Go Kokoro go. Team Kokoro. Go Kokoro go. Team Kokoro. Go Kokoro go.
Don't you think they're missing that energy? Okay, we'll show you what the energy is with the next team, right? So what's your team name?
Team Vikings.
Team
Vikings.
Vikings. And what's a war cry?
Team will tell.
You just name the team and they will do the war cry. Okay, go ahead.
Team Vikings. Team Vikings. Team Vikings.
All right. So, where's the next captain? Hey, captain, how are you? Feeling good?
Good.
So I can see the team and I can see the biggest smile on your teammates' member. I don't know why. What is the reason why they are smiling? They got the promotion or something else?
Yeah, some of them.
Some of them got the promotion. Okay. So what's the team name?
Weekend.
Weekend. Okay. So he said Team Weekend. बताओ अरे बताओ कैप्टन को हम नहीं तो कौन बे. Okay, just remember that. You know, anytime, anywhere, if I pick him and ask him the team name, you have to make sure that you, with all your energies, just go for the war cry. Okay. So let's head for the next team. So guys, what's the team name?
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda.
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever. Okay. What's a war cry? Okay. Name your team and check the energy. This is the final round. Okay. For the war cry, let's do it.
Wakanda forever. Team Weekend.
हम नहीं तो कौन बे.
तीन बार.
हम नहीं तो कौन बे.
One more time.
हम नहीं तो कौन बे.
टीम को करो. टीम को करो. टीम को करो.
Team Vikings. Team Vikings. Team Vikings.
All right. So guys, just relax. I'll brief the activity to your team captains. They will tell you what exactly you have to do. So guys, please join us. The first one is marshmallow challenge, where I'm giving around 30 spaghetti to you guys. All you have to do, along with the clear tape, all you have to do, you have to make a tower, okay, and you have to put that marshmallow on top of it. The team with the tallest tower will win. शर्मा रहे हो आप, तो शादी का रिश्ता है. जल्दी से war cry guys. Act like enemies now, not like a friend or an associate. Come on. So please pick your props. 4 टीम है, 4 कैप्टन अपने prop pick करेंगे. That's it. Go ahead guys, your time starts now. Take a comparison also. You can use the ground, you can even use the tarp if you want to. You can use the floor here. Don't go far. I believe stick around. I mean, that is more important. We are left with last 1 minute 30 seconds. So I think looking at the current scenario, so we are giving you 1 more minute, 1 more extra minute. Okay. So अभी हम status check कर लेते हैं. So guys, आपको जानकर खुशी होगी, टीम वाइकिंग अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रही है बेस बनाने के लिए. कोकोरो is also struggling to settle the marshmallow on top of it. अच्छा, वीकेंड का पूरा इस्तेमाल किया इन्होंने. इनका टावर थोड़ा सा स्टेबल लग रहा है, बट स्टिल आई थिंक द टॉप फ्लोर इज स्टिल लिटिल शेकी. So they guys have done it. As of now, it is done. हाइट भी सर बस ऐसे ही स्टेबल रहना चाहिए. अब मैं एक काउंटडाउन सेट कर रहा हूँ as we are done with the first team. 3, 2 and 1. सर छोड़ दीजिए. आई थिंक नहीं हो पाएगा. So what went wrong, Captain? And where do you think like they achieved it and you missed it? Like what was it?
I think it was the foundation. We got it wrong.
But that's perfectly fine. क्या कहना चाहोगे अभी टीम को?
कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट गेम में करेंगे.
Oh, that's a spirit. कोई बात नहीं. हम नहीं तो
कौन बे.
एक बार टीम आवाज लगा रही है आपकी.
हम नहीं तो कौन बे.
So Captain, you tell us the success story, like how you started, who contributed, and मतलब पूरा का पूरा, if you can share it in a nutshell.
Okay, so we started with the strong base first, and everyone participated. Yeah, that is it.
Okay,
teamwork
so
it is.
teamwork. Okay, that's the bottom line. I think teamwork plays the most important role. So let's check. सर थोड़ा तो आएगा ना. आ गया.
बस रुक दो. अरे मैं बताता हूँ देख के.
Okay. Oh, you got an accurate height. Trust me, like you know, it is 50 centimeter. Let's head to this one. So now we'll measure this one. Okay.
यहाँ तक जाना ऊपर. यहाँ तक ऊपर तक.
हाँ बिल्कुल टॉप फ्लोर तक जाएंगे सर.
आधा मीटर तक.
Oh my goodness, look at it.
1.8 meter.
1.8. 1.08. So team name. The next one is called blind snake. So I'll give you some cotton, I'll give you some clothes, just blindfold them and do it honestly. Yes. And you have to do it cross teams. Like he will go and he will do it for your team, and you go, you do it for, because you know, just to keep it right? Fair? Got it?
Picking
up the
Yes. आगे क्या है कि you can see there are a lot of different color cups. There are glasses also, fancy glasses. You know, under every glass there is something. Maybe you might find a star. Maybe you find it empty. So the moment you find a star, that is an add-on. Like, you know, that's a plus for your team, right? As simple as that. It is not about glasses, but still you have to collect the glasses also. To make a human chain.
all the 4
Snake. Yes.
Oh my god.
You will do it together, right? Got it?
To make a chain, then we can distract him.
Sir, I'll give you an example. You know, suppose he's standing.
How can we like...
You know, I'll tell you. You're standing at back. I'm standing. So just imagine you both are blindfolded, right? I'll instruct you, but I can't speak. I'll give you a sign. That you have to do while doing briefing with your team. Like, you know, a tap will give them a direction. Suppose you tap right, so it's a chain reaction which will happen. So he will move himself to the right or left according to the instruction that you have given without saying a word. We'll be starting in next 2 minutes, guys. Next 2 minutes. All set, guys. Can I see you back here, all of you? Up, Captain, please get your team here. We'll start from the start line, please, all of you. Guys, listen to your captain. That's very important. This is the last time you're listening to them during this game. इसके बाद non-verbal communication होगा. ठीक है ना? So, Captain. Louder! Continue. Okay, team name.
Team Wakanda.
Continue. Guys, you just have 10 minutes to finish the job. 10 मिनट में आपने जितना कर लिया उसके बाद we'll call it an end of the game. Okay? Good to go, guys. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we start. It's a non-verbal thing, guys. So don't speak, right?
ये बोल सकते हैं?
हाँ ये बोल सकते हो, but captain can't speak, right? हाँ go for war cry.
हाँ वो इधर आ जाएंगे, उनको समझना
I'll give you a time check after 5 minutes, guys. I'll give you a time check after 5 minutes. Captain, steer your team accordingly. Sir, you can't move there. Captain, you stay at the end.
रुक जाओ यार, traffic.
Captain, make sure you steer your team in the right direction without any collision. Guys, and make sure you don't break the chain. Only first one can kneel down to pick the glass or star. So here you see the captain have to make a non-verbal communication, but sometimes you can't be strict or rigid in terms of giving them instruction, because at the end of a day it's a corporate, so you have to be a little flexible. And you can see this captain is back-to-back communicating. Most of them are doing a non-verbal communication, but most of them are doing a verbal communication. So that's how it works, right? Guys, you are left with last 6 minutes. I repeat, you are left with last 6 minutes. And I repeat, captain in white jacket, stop communicating. I think it's a non-verbal communication that you have to make. And it is not about winning, guys. I think it is more about learning through this, having fun through this. The journey is more important than destination, guys. So make sure you listen to the captain, and that will make this whole activity more interesting. Let's keep it fair. Let's keep it interesting. And again, it's a time check, guys. You are left with last 5 minutes. I repeat, you are left with last 5 minutes. And just to help these captains, I want to tell you, there are a lot of glasses which are left on the left side of the ground. Okay? Sir, ये तो आपका कैप्टन बताएगा. आपका लेफ्ट है, मेरा लेफ्ट है. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up, guys. Can I see all the teams back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Congratulations! What's the team name? Good. War cry. चलो और cry. Yes, yes. Oh, all of you. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. I think that was all for today. Definitely, we're gonna meet soon for some more fun activities. You have been such a wonderful, delightful team. My name is Maddie, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you did so. Thank you so much, everybody. Cheers, and have a good life. Thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks a lot. Thank you.